promises to be a spectacular morning. We hope you are all settling in and getting ready for a day of incredible talent and entertainment.
We're just a moment away from kicking off our Master event. Get ready to be amazed.
A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. We are absolutely thrilled to see so many bright faces here today. Indeed, I am Afdan Hanif, and this is my fantastic co-host, Muhammad Hafizul Rajabi.
Warrior guide for the extraordinary morning.
Today, we celebrate talent, creativity, and the pursuit of excellence. Prepare to be inspired.
To begin this auspicious occasion, we invite Naufal Hakimi and Muhammad Nihayati Zain to grace us with a recitation from the Holy Quran. Please give them a round